Tell us what happened today. What happened?
So we explored these Bunkie houses. Probably our favorite one was this one here. We really liked how it had the loft up top with the window, and I really enjoyed the kitchen. Felix?
Yeah, and inside we really enjoyed seeing how all the machines worked and like how they would pack up everything. Yeah, it was really good.
So let's say someone was thinking, oh, should I get in the car and drive a long distance to come see the Bunkie Life factory and all the Bunkies? What would you say?
Yeah, definitely.
So what would you tell them? What would you say to them?
I'd say go try to see if you want to get a bunkie, and there will probably be always a fit for you. The factory's really cool.
Nice. Okay. Awesome, guys. Well, thanks so much for coming all this way. Appreciate it.